Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important topics in computer science, that is graph terminology. If you ever wondered how graphs works or why they are so important, you are in the right place. Let's jump right in. So, what is exactly is a graph? Well, a graph is made up of nodes, also called vertices, and these are connected by edges. Think of it like a network of cities connected by roads. Graphs are used everywhere: social media, navigation apps, recommendation systems, and so much more. Now, let's talk about the different types of graphs. We have three main types. The first one is directed graphs. Here, edges have directions, meaning the relationship is one way. Think of it like following someone on Twitter. The second one is undirected graph. In this case, edges have no direction, so the relationship is two-way, like being Facebook friend. And the third one is mixed graph, a mix of both directed and undirected edges. Graphs can also have weights. What does that mean? We're going to talk about weighted graphs. In weighted graphs, each edge has a cost or value. For example, in Google Maps, the weight could represent the distance between two places. The next one is unweighted graph. In unweighted graph, there is no weights, meaning all edges are considered equal. So whether you're finding shortest route or analyzing connection, weighted graphs are super useful. Let's go over some key terms in graphs real quick. Vertex, also known as node, represent an object or entity in the graph. And the next one is edge, represent the connection between two vertices. Got that? Wait, let's keep going. The next one is we talk about the degree of the vertex. This is simply the number of edges connected to it. For directed graphs, in degree means the number of edges coming into vertex, and the out degree means the number of edges going out of vertex. This is especially useful when analyzing networks, like finding the most influential person on social media. Alright, let's break down some essential concepts in graphs. The first one is path, a sequence of distinct vertices and edges. The second one is walk. Walk is a sequence of vertices and edges that may repeat. And the next one is trail, a walk where the edges don't repeat. The last one we want to talk about is circle, a trail that starts and ends at the same vertex. These concepts are key in graph algorithms, like finding the shortest path cycle detection. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the connected graphs and the disconnected graphs. Some graphs are connected and some are not. In connected graphs, every pair of vertices has path between them. In disconnected graphs, some vertices cannot be read from others. Imagine a social network where some people just aren't connected. It's basically a disconnected graph. Now let's talk about cycles. First one is cycle, a path that starts and ends at the same vertex. The next one is a cyclic graph, a graph with no cycles. Next one is DAG, which means directed acyclic graph. A directed graph is no directed cycles. DAGs are super useful scheduling and dependency resolution. Think task managers or build systems. So before we wrap up the session, let's cover a few special graphs. The first one is complete graph. Every pair of vertices is connected. Bipartite graph, where vertices can be divided into two sets with edges only between sets. The last one is tree, a connected graph with no cycles. Trees are everywhere, from file systems to AI decision making. And let's wrap up the video. So as you can see, the graphs are everywhere, and understanding the terminology is key to solving problems in computer science. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. So see you next time. Thank you.